not just one man with the bulk of it all.
Oh, that's it. The referee plays an advantage. Could be a chance here. That will give a lot of confidence to Msebi. Msebi gets down well and makes the stop to deny them Tajela. Sipho Mbule is already showing his silky.
Yeah, there were talks that Mbule really showing what he can do.
Wide. Stole. The pass was intended for Semisiabi. Could have been a tap-in, good awareness there from Chippa. Still the danger not gone, but it runs away from Sipho Mbule.
Make 5 changes, all 5 really hit the floor running and have an immediate impact. And I think that's the case for Pirates.
You will know all about that being a Liverpool fan. About how difficult it can be to get the big money signings to play.
Yeah.
Like record signings, British record signings. Right. Never mind buy a goal, can't buy a place. Remember Pirates who have provided 12 players to Hugo Broos's training squad of some 54 players. Mofoke. Mbule shaping it. Confidently done by Msebi. So far,
he looks very comfortable, very confident for goalkeeper game time. Excellent attempt here from Mbule.
The other option, of course, was in terms of Nelson Stole. He's the one on the bench, the former Cape Town City keeper. He's the one that tonight.
Yeah,
Tends to be a little isolated when he does get the ball, Levanga. Mbule, beautifully done. Hoto, the glancing header there from Mbutuma. Took a deflection. Or it came off a defender, so it's going to be a corner. And his mate, Kebo Mokwena, product of that company academy, Old Mutual Academies, and was then worked under coach as we punched away by Msebi. And again, that attempt from Ranger from Mbata, but the flag is up for offside. Yeah, that academy used to produce a lot of good players. Mulefinteki was the man who guided them in their early days. Harmony. Free State.
Yeah, you can see just offside.
Mbule, Sipho Mbule. Nice from Remy. Oh, this is amazing stuff.
Mbule. Touches of class.
You know what they say about the great player, to have just that little bit more time on the board.
Number 2
to slide. I need to move it a lot quicker. As Chippa are quite content to let them have it in front of them in these situations. And then they win it like that. Semisiabi, but just caught Sipho Mbule.
He had enough of his antics. No-nonsense defender there. Disguised pass from Remy. The ball was exposed. Tried to nick it away and did it in the way.
Maximum concentration. Great turn. Mbule almost slipped it through for Butu.
Looking for that.
This game is turning out. Lebitso to Mbule. And now we're into stoppage time. 1 minute minimum. Just that final ball may be lacking. Mbule with his nifty touch, and Mbutuma! Oh, what a save! You see it?
Now to go to right back, and Kam is now in the central position. Here's the 1-2, attempted 1-2. The clearance that fell to Mbutuma. Didn't have much options.
United have not won in their last 11 away league games. They've drawn 4 and lost 7. Their last win was the 2-0 triumph over Cape Town City on the 18th of February.
Wow.
but they've executed to perfection. But it's tiring working without the ball, and when you're up against a team of so much individual quality. Wow, what a roar he will get when he gets onto the field, and then Evidence Mahopa. I suspect indeed he will replace Mbotoma. Yeah, hasn't happened for Yanela Mbotoma tonight. So Evidence Mahopa, we know he offers something different. Stegan will be a very different proposition for the defense here of Chippa to deal with. He will apply that high press, he will hold up play. And Apollo is also coming in. Sipho Mbule's night is done.